Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this geometrical problem. In fact, this geometrical problem is asked in Chinese Mathematical Olympiad exam. So the statement of the question is like there are two right angle triangles like APB and APC. Angle P is 90 degree and angle B is 3 theta where the angle C is theta. Side length AB and AC are 4 and 9 units respectively. Similarly, side length BP and PC are x and y units respectively. So here we have to find out the ratio of x and y. So in order to find this ratio, we will be using the trigonometry. In fact, in triangle ABD, if we use sine 3 theta, so from here sine 3 theta can be given as perpendicular, that is AP, divided by hypotenuse, that is AB, and its value is 4. So from here AP can be written as AP is equal to 4 times sine 3 theta. Let's call it equation number 1. Similarly, if in triangle ACP we apply the sin a t ratio, so sin theta can be given as sin theta is equal to perpendicular, that is AP, divided by hypotenuse, that is AC, and its value is 9. So from here we can write AP is equal to 9 sin theta. Let's call it equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2 we can compare the values of AP. So from here we can write 4 times sine 3 theta is equal to 9 times sine theta. So here we will be using the identity of sine 3 theta in terms of sine theta. So it can be written as 4 remains same, so it will be like 4 times, and sine 3 theta can be written as 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, and right hand side we have 9 times sine theta. So from left hand side and right hand side 1 sine theta will be cancelled out provided sine theta is not equal to 0. So from here we will have 4 times 3 minus 4 sine square theta is equal to 9. So from here we can write 3 minus 4 sine square theta is equal to 9 divided by 4. So from here we can write 4 sine square theta is equal to 3 minus 9 divided by 4. Further, after simplification, it will give 12 minus 9 divided by 4. Further, we will have 4 sine square theta is equal to 3 divided by 4. So from here, we can have sine square theta is equal to 3 divided by 16. Further, in triangle APB and in triangle APC, we will be using the T ratio cosine A. So from here we can write, in fact in triangle ABP we can write cos 3 theta is equal to base, that is BP, and its value is x, divided by hypotenuse, that is AB, and its value is 4. So from here we can write x is equal to 4 cos 3 theta. Further, from triangle ACP we can write cos theta is equal to base, that is y, divided by hypotenuse, that is 9. So from here we can have y is equal to 9 cos theta. So from here we can write the ratio of x and y like x divided by y is equal to 4 cos 3 theta divided by 9 cos theta. So if we use the identity of cos 3 theta in numerator, so from here we can write 4 divided by 9 times cos theta can be written as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and we have cos theta in denominator. So from numerator and denominator, 1 cos theta will be cancelled out and the remaining terms will be like 4 divided by 9 and 4 cos square theta, 4 cos square theta minus 3 divided by 1. So from here we can write 4 divided by 9, and here we will be using the identity that is cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So from here we can have 4 times 1 minus sin square theta minus 3. Further we can write 4 divided by 9 times 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. So further we will have 4 divided by 9, and 4 minus 3 will become 1, and minus 4 times sine square theta. So if we put the value of sine square theta from here to this result, so it can be written as 4 times 3 divided by 16. So further we will have 4 divided by 9 times 1 minus 3 divided by 4. So from here we can write 4 divided by 9 times, and it will give 4 minus 3 divided by 4. So these two quantities will be cancelled out. 4 minus 3 will be 1, and we will have 1 divided by 9. So with this manner we have x divided by y is equal to 1 divided by 9. So the ratio of x and y will be given as 1 is to 9, and this is the final answer of this question. Hope you enjoyed the solution and the manner we discuss it. So please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, thanks a lot for watching this video.